Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with lots of important job opportunity. So first is from the Logitech Careers. They are hiring Oracle ERP technical intern and job location is Chennai and this is full-time role. So this is one important opportunity and what will be your roles and responsibilities? So technical development and customization. Coding means you will write, modify, test and debug high quality code and SQL, PL/SQL you will work on. Then system support and quality assurance, collaboration and professional growth. So this is one of the wonderful opportunity if you have knowledge of database rdbms concept and programming proficiency in sql. Okay, and if you have knowledge in java, python or c++, then this is one of the good hiring. Everyone should apply. So education, currently pursuing a bachelor's or master degree in computer science, information technology or related field. Okay, I mean you should be from technical background, and if you are from 2025 2026 pass out batch, then you are eligible for this important hiring. Coming to next important hiring from the Invesco, and today last date to apply for this, and the role is graduate engineer trainee. Job location is Hyderabad, Telangana. So I will suggest everyone must apply for this important job role. So you will basically means your role will be learning experience within marketing organizations. If you are interested with all these tech stack, then I will suggest you should apply. You contribute to Invesco Connects and BRG Group, complete regular checks in with manager and program lead, and these are the things you should. Okay, so BTech 2026 pass out from CS, EC or IT background, no current backlog, and 60% or equivalent CGPA should be there throughout 10 12. Okay, so this is the complete job roles and description. I will provide also all the job link in the description. You can apply. Next important hiring from the Wipro. They are hiring the junior engineer and job location is Pune. So this is your roles and responsibility, and I will suggest everyone you should apply. Okay, and 2026 pass out batch based for some other hiring from the Wipro, but 2024 and 2025 you should apply. So these are the mandatory skill, that is M3 Java. So if you have knowledge of all that, then you can apply. Friends, if you are selected for any company and want to schedule your mock interview, then you can also fill our form. Okay, where you will get the idea of the real interview, and it will basically help or boost your confidence for the preparation in the real interview. So if you are interested, you can fill our mock interview form. Coming to our next important hiring, that is from MyLepe, and they are hiring product intern, and this is a full-time role. So who can apply? Fresh graduates can apply, means 2026 pass out can't apply. 2025 as well as other branches, means all branches are eligible, you can apply. So these are the things you should have: proficient in MS Office, that is Word, PowerPoint, Excel. This is mandatory skills and self-driven. So if you are interested, you can apply for this important role, and this is the working date, that is 9th and 11th Feb. Okay, so if you are from the Chennai, then you can go for this working drive. Next important hiring, that is the Salesforce freshers, female candidates only. So if you have knowledge of Salesforce, then you can apply for this, and immediate joiner is preferred. You should have strong communication skill. So you can share your resume to this mail ID. Next important hiring, they are hiring for software testing engineer from the BE, BTech, MCA and MSc background, and these are the related field: computer science, electronics, ENTC, AI, data science and related field. So this is the skills required: manual testing, automation testing, Selenium, bug tracking tool and regression. So if you are interested, you can apply or you can share your resume to this mail ID. Next very important opportunity, that is from the GE Healthcare, and they are hiring software engineer specialist. So if you have some experience, okay, then you can apply for this, and you should have from means computer science background, and these are the technical expertise. You should have experience in object oriented analysis and design, and these are the things. Okay, next important hiring from the LIDAR annotator role, Salt Lake. So Salt Lake is job location and designation will be annotator CV. Okay, experience freshers and experience in LIDAR. If you are interested, then you can apply. This is a contractual role, and job location is Salt Lake. So freshers are also eligible, and if you have done graduation, master or diploma, then you can apply for this hiring. Friends, I regularly post lots of important job update in my YouTube channel. So if you are the freshers or experience or any candidates, then you can subscribe us. You will get lots of important job update in YouTube channel, especially for 2026 pass out batch, Cognizant, TCS. Another important hiring will be announced soon. For that update, you can subscribe us. That will really helpful for you. Hope informative to you. If you have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.